Hey, what's going on, guys? We're back. If you are an old subscriber, thank you for checking back in. If you're new, I hope you're here to stay. We're gonna be working on 4 cars, all broken. Delicious. But this thing is so cool, so retro, and it has so many problems. It just never ends. A lot to show you guys, a lot to go over. I really don't even know how to start this first video back. It's like, where do I go? It's been 5 years. A lot has changed. I'm not gonna go into some crazy story, but long and short, was caught up with work, life, building a business, working for a company. It's been crazy. Moved down to Florida and bought this house with this garage that this guy Chris built. It's pretty wild. He added this onto the house. Real quick tour for you guys on this. So it's got a huge Atlas lift, 10,000 pound, which is awesome. Over here, still a work in progress, but it's gonna be a nice little like gaming setup. My dad, legend, saved all of our old childhood video game consoles. GameCube, 64. Got a TV that I could use everything on. Gonna mount it, get a nice little thing over there. Here's my desk. One thing I love is the garage fridge. Finally got that up and running. VG30 ET engine, EJ255. Bunch of parts for the Subies over there. Transmission for the Yukon. And Harbor Freight tools galore, man. Harbor Freight everything. It's a really quick tour on this, just showing you guys kind of everything. And an EJ207 chilling on the stand. Also, while I've been down here, I recently rescued this little dog named Ozzy.
Oh yeah.
Gets him to stop instantly. Such a weird looking dog. He's like a husky, Staffordshire Terrier, North American Pit Bull, and a bunch of other things. He's been awesome. Some of my fireman buddies rescued him. This dog's literally been on the fire trucks. Love Ozzy. He is sleeping right now, but he's definitely gonna be in the videos. He's the shop manager. It feels really good to be back doing this. Really weird to talk to a camera. It's been a while. That will go by quick though. One thing, this isn't like a flex video. Literally all my cars are broken. I moved to a relatively cheaper northern part of Florida. I'm not by the beach, any of that stuff, but love it where I'm at. It's a lot of fun. Also, I wanted to say thank you to everyone who's reached out over the last few years. A lot of you have, and I really appreciate that. And then especially reposting just stories and getting back into it. A lot of you have reached out, super cool. Especially when people are like, dude, where the hell did you go? It's been like 4 or 5 years. We're dying to see content. So pretty amazing, honestly, to kick this back off and experience that. I'll show you guys the current fleet. Every single one of them have issues, which kind of sucks. They're all old, nothing new. But to start, we got this 2002 Subaru Impreza WRX that I picked up from this older gentleman. Super rust free. This is gonna be the first video series we're gonna get back on. Already got it on the lift. We'll show you how that looks in a bit. Then over here, we got the 2001 GMC Yukon XL 4x4. This thing is super clean. I bought it one owner. It is in great condition. I think it was resprayed, but I don't really care. The interior on it is amazing. I threw on 2018 GMC Yukon wheels with some Toyo tires on it. And this has been the tow rig, and just daily, whenever I want to go anywhere, not being an obnoxious car, I just take the truck. This GMC Yukon, the torque converter or first gear is slipping on the 4L60, I'm pretty sure it has. So I got a stage 2 transmission built for this that we're gonna be throwing in it. It's gonna be the tow pig, drive it around. May end up building the LS, the 5.3 liter in that, who knows. But let's show you into the other cars. And here is Krusty. I still have the 2002 Blaze Yellow Subaru WRX. Interior's ripped apart. 5-speed transmission in here. Everything works great. It still has the JDM EJ205 wired with AVCS on it. What I've done recently though, and I didn't record this, is upgrade the STI top mount. Also, I put in a VF48 turbo, and it is pro tuned. Honestly, it rips. Has the STI pinks for what it is. It's a quick little car, nothing crazy, but this thing's gonna get the works. The New York salt and undercarriage, and driving this thing for so many years. I bought it with 80,000 miles. Now it's 176,000. It's crusty. It's like, it's pretty bad. So it needs a full makeover. It needs a lot of love. But this thing's been running great. Sounds ridiculous. Straight piped, well, fully catless, and it's been a blast. But it's gonna get a full resto mod, completely redone, maybe LS swapped. I think I'm gonna do that if I end up keeping the wagon. And then I'll show you my other car that I have. And then over here we have my 1988 Nissan Pathfinder. I never ran a Carfax on this thing. I probably should have. Super clean, super rust free. The rear end has a little rust here and there, but it's nothing major at all. The frame is rock solid. This car has 176,000 miles on it. I absolutely love it. I have a ton of parts for it. I redid everything, the entire suspension, wheels, tires. This is kind of my fun car that I kept low-key for a while, or truck. Bilstein shocks. It's a 5-speed, 4x4. Look at this thing. Nostalgic. It's been ripped apart a bunch of times. The only thing I did, which I get yelled at by some of my buddies, was throwing that Elite Boss stereo. That's my sub from like 2012. JL Audio still works. But this thing is so cool, so retro. And it has so many problems. It just never ends. If you want to talk about chasing demons, this is the truck, man. If you like dealing with never-ending problems, this truck has been such a pain in the ass. I put maybe over, again, this isn't like a, I don't mean this in like a flexing way, but I put like $7 grand, which is so financially stupid, into this truck. And I've maybe driven this thing, I don't even know. Like, I had one good day where it drove for 6 hours. It did a really long haul, and after that it's died every fucking time. I redid everything though. Timing belt, all the belts, alternator, valve cover gaskets, and it's got the craziest tick ever, which is allegedly common on these VG30s. However, I think it's worse. I really got to retune this. This will be another video, but this is one of the resto builds. This thing may turbo swap it, get a little wild with it, and then I have some really cool old unique bumpers that are factory that fit this thing. But I just love this truck. If I can actually get it running right, everything about it, from the old Pathfinder logo, and then this rear end is just so cool. I love this, and it's missing a lot of the panels right now, but it's got the tire carrier on the back. Honestly, my plan, once I get this thing running right, it's really dirty in there, is to make this thing the road trip car and kind of sleep in the truck, maybe go cross country, and yeah, take it from there. So one thing I wanted to add before I wrap this up, there's going to be a Discord community, totally free. I want people to join this. I want people to talk about their builds, just go over, shoot the shit, but keep it professional. It's there to help each other out. Talk to me, business ideas, car stuff. I'm in it. I'm all there. Would love for you guys to join, and let's just like make the car community good again, man. A lot of shit went south in the last like 4 to 5 years, so I'm super excited to be back. Guys, enjoy, and this next video is going to be ripping this thing out and really getting after it. Just EJ205 tear down. Also, one thing I wanted to say, if you're still here from years ago and you saw this pop up, thank you for clicking on over, and thanks for being an old subscriber. So I appreciate it. We're out.